Welcome back to Auto World, your ultimate destination for the latest in the automotive industry. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated trucks of 2025, the all-new Ram 1500 RHO, designed to redefine what it means to be a heavy-duty pickup. The RHO combines rugged power, cutting-edge technology, and impressive luxury. Let's see what makes this beast a game-changer. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is all about making a statement. Its aggressive front grille, LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic body lines give it a commanding presence on and off the road. Ram has clearly stepped up its game, blending aesthetics with functionality. Under the hood, the RHO boasts a monstrous 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 475 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. Need more efficiency? There's also a hybrid variant with the torque system, combining power with fuel economy like never before. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment or towing your weekend getaway, the Ram 1500 RHO has you covered. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,500 pounds and a payload capacity of 2,300 pounds, this truck is built to handle it all. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. Premium leather upholstery, ventilated and heated seats, and real wood accents set the RHO apart. The 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures you stay connected wherever the road takes you. The RHO isn't just about brute strength, it's smart too. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, the RHO makes driving safer and more convenient than ever. For off-road enthusiasts, rejoice. The Ram 1500 RHO comes equipped with a factory-installed lift kit, 33-inch all-terrain tires, and an active air suspension system that adapts to any terrain. Adventure is no longer an option. You want to make it your own. The RHO offers plenty of customization options, including exclusive trim packages, additional storage solutions, and enhanced towing features. It's a truck built for every lifestyle. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is more than a truck. It's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're conquering job sites or exploring uncharted trails, this truck is ready for whatever comes next. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.